Flying at night has its own unique concerns as compared to flying during the daytime. For example, obviously at night you're not going to be able to see your power lines, any trees out there, and that's just from an air perspective. Then of course you have ground hazards as well, walking around on uneven terrain, potholes, perhaps stepping into areas where it could produce a hazard for you, an injury hazard. So we recommend here at K-State that users, prior to going out and flying for a commercial operation, receive appropriate training. Here at K-State, when we are doing our nighttime training, we go through things such as nighttime illusions that could affect the pilot's ability to operate safely. We also go through areas where the operator may have a loss of communication with that drone. How are they able to safely recover that aircraft, especially at night? And then we also, the third thing that we focus on at night training is to observe the aircraft without being blinded or having your eyesight reduced due to the anti-collision strobe light on those aircraft. So whenever you go out and operate at night, just make sure that you are taking into account those hazards both in the air and on the ground.